Did you know there's a fruit that looks like a star when you slice it? It's truly a sight to behold and a delight to taste. Say hello to the star fruit, also known as carambola. This unique fruit is a hidden gem in the world of tropical produce. This tropical delight is not just pretty to look at. Its vibrant color and star shape make it a standout in any fruit bowl. It's a powerhouse of nutrients and flavor. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, it's a healthy choice for any diet. Star fruit grows in tropical climates and is originally from Southeast Asia. It's now enjoyed all over the world. You can eat it whole, and it has a sweet and slightly tart taste. Its unique flavor profile makes it versatile in many dishes. Some people say it tastes like a mix of apple, pear, and citrus fruits. This combination of flavors makes it a refreshing treat. Ready to discover the amazing health benefits of this unique fruit? From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, star fruit has it all. Stay tuned. I'll be sharing a special tip on how to enjoy star fruit in a way you've probably never tried before. You won't want to miss it. Star fruit is low in calories, making it a guilt-free snack. But don't let that fool you. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals. This tropical fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and protects your cells from damage. Star fruit also contains fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel full. Additionally, you'll find important minerals like potassium and copper in star fruit. Potassium is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Copper plays a vital role in energy production and iron absorption. The unique combination of nutrients in star fruit offers a wide range of health benefits, making it a superfood worth adding to your diet. Want to boost your heart health? Star fruit can help. Its rich nutrient profile supports cardiovascular health. The fiber and potassium in star fruit contribute to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure, making it a heart-friendly choice. Looking for an immune system booster? The high vitamin C content in star fruit strengthens your body's natural defenses against infections, keeping you healthier. Star fruit is also a good source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Feeling a bit backed up? The fiber in star fruit promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation, aiding in digestive health. Incorporate star fruit into your diet for a healthy gut and overall well-being. Its versatility makes it easy to add to various dishes. Section 4. Star fruit. More than just a pretty face. Star fruit's vibrant color and unique shape make it a beautiful addition to any plate. Get creative in the kitchen and use star fruit to add a touch of elegance to your dishes. Slice it thinly and add it to your fruit salad for a burst of flavor and color. Use it as a topping for yogurt, oatmeal, or pancakes. You can even use star fruit to make refreshing drinks like smoothies and cocktails. Have you ever tried star fruit? What's your favorite way to eat it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Section 5. The secret tip: unlocking star fruit's full potential. Ready for a special tip? This one will elevate your star fruit experience to a whole new level. Try grilling or slightly caramelizing star fruit. It's a game changer. The heat brings out its natural sweetness and creates a whole new flavor dimension that you won't believe. Slice the star fruit and lightly brush it with honey or maple syrup for an extra touch of sweetness. Grill it for a few minutes on each side until it's slightly softened and caramelized to perfection. The result is a warm, sweet, and tangy treat that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Incorporate star fruit into your diet and experience the amazing health benefits it offers, from vitamins to antioxidants. Remember to try the grilling tip for a unique and delicious way to enjoy this tropical treasure. It's a must-try. Stay healthy and keep shining. Enjoy the vibrant flavors and the boost to your well-being.